Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the platform supports home screen badges and that you have the right permissions. This matters because badges are managed by the OS. Next, open Shortcuts and create a new shortcut. Add the action that represents the event you want to badge. Once done, capture the app identifier or URL scheme you'll use to post the badge count. Make sure to save the shortcut with a clear name so you can reference it from later steps and automation triggers. Now you build the logic that calculates or fetches the numeric badge. This might be a small script, API request, or reading local data. You wire that value into the mechanism the system accepts, for example, using a setBadge action, an app URL scheme, or a companion helper app that exposes a badge API. Once wired, test manually so you see the count applied in real time. Adjust formatting and edge cases so 0, null, and negative values behave predictably. Finish by connecting the shortcut to an automation, widget, or the app icon so the badge updates automatically when events occur. Once configured, validate behavior while the device is locked in background and after a reboot because OS restrictions can suppress updates. If the badge doesn't appear, check that notifications and background refresh are allowed, confirm the shortcut executed by inspecting logs or receipts, and ensure the count value is a non-negative integer. Make adjustments and retest until consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.